Hello friends, if you are planning to buy tiles for your home, then this video can save you from making a very expensive mistake. Because most people go to a tile showroom, see some shiny designs under bright lights and immediately finalize the tile. But after a few months, they realize that the room looks smaller, dust becomes visible everywhere, cleaning becomes difficult, or the entire house starts looking outdated. And the biggest mistake? Many people use the same type of tile in every room without understanding which tile is actually suitable for that space. So in this video, I will explain everything in very simple language. Which tile is best for each room? Gloss finish versus matte finish. Which tile size makes your room look bigger? Which tile designs you should avoid completely? Which tiles look luxurious but create maintenance problems? And one very important installation mistake, because of which expensive tiles later start making hollow sound or even come out. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because one wrong tile selection can spoil the entire look of your house for years. Now let us start with the most important area of the house, the living room. Your living room is the first impression of your home. Guests come there first, and people judge the overall feel of your house from your hall itself. That is why, while selecting tiles for the living room, you should mainly focus on 4 things: tile size, finish, color, and design pattern. Now first let us talk about tile size. Nowadays, large tiles are trending everywhere because they make the room look modern and premium. Most people now use at least 2 by 4 feet tiles in the living room. If your budget allows, even bigger tiles or large slabs can make the room look more luxurious because fewer joints are visible. And fewer joints create a seamless look. This is one of the easiest ways to make even a normal apartment look expensive. Now let us talk about tile types. Generally, 2 types of tiles are most commonly used: ceramic tiles, vitrified tiles. Ceramic tiles are budget friendly and look attractive. But vitrified tiles are stronger, denser, more durable, and better for flooring. That is why vitrified tiles are usually the better option for living room flooring. Now comes one of the biggest confusions: gloss finish versus matte finish. Gloss finish tiles have a shiny smooth surface. Light reflects beautifully on them. Even your false ceiling lights get reflected on the floor, which creates a luxurious hotel type feeling. And because of light reflection, glossy tiles also make the room look visually bigger. That is why for most living rooms, gloss finish tiles work very well. Now, matte finish tiles have less reflection and a softer surface texture. They look elegant too, but if your goal is to create a bright luxurious living room, then gloss finish usually gives better visual impact. Now let us talk about color selection. Always try to choose lighter shades for living rooms. Off-white, ivory, beige, cream, light grey, or soft marble shades. Light colors make the room feel more spacious, and they also match easily with furniture and wall colors. And when it comes to designs, this is where many people make mistakes. Nowadays, simple designs look more premium. Minimal marble patterns with soft veins look rich and classy. But if the design is too heavy or crowded, then the room can start looking visually busy. So avoid heavy checks, carpet style designs, too many small patterns, or overly decorative tiles. These designs are already looking outdated in many homes. One more thing. Black glossy tiles may look very luxurious in showrooms, but in actual homes, they create some problems. For example, dust becomes visible quickly. Scratches become visible, and the room may look smaller. So unless you have a very large luxury space with constant cleaning, avoid glossy black flooring. Now before moving further, let us talk about one very important mistake that many people make during tile installation. Nowadays, people spend lakhs of rupees on expensive large format tiles and slabs. But during installation, some workers still use only traditional cement and sand mixture, and this creates major problems later. Modern vitrified tiles absorb very little water. Because of this, regular cement bonding may not provide proper grip for large tiles. Later, problems start appearing like hollow sound, loose tiles, uneven leveling, cracked corners, or tiles coming out. That is why nowadays tile adhesive is highly recommended, especially for large format tiles, vitrified tiles, wall tiles, and bathroom walls. Good tile adhesive provides stronger bonding and better leveling. And another important point that many people ignore is grout. Cheap grout can spoil the overall finish and may allow stains or water seepage later. Good quality epoxy grout lasts longer, looks cleaner, and is much better for bathrooms and kitchens. Now let us move to kitchen tiles. Kitchen is one area where maintenance is equally important as looks. Because in kitchens, water falls, oil spills happen, and cleaning happens daily. For kitchen flooring, matte finish tiles are usually better. Why? Because matte tiles provide better grip and reduce chances of slipping. Glossy tiles in kitchens can become slippery when water or oil falls on the floor. And another advantage of matte finish is that dust and stains become less visible. Now for kitchen colors, simple shades work best. Beige, warm grey, light brown, or simple stone finishes. Avoid overly dark shades and avoid very rough textures because they trap dirt and become difficult to clean. Now let us talk about kitchen wall tiles, meaning the backsplash area above the countertop. Earlier, many kitchens used fruit designs, coffee cup designs, or highlighted decorative tiles. But nowadays, those designs look outdated. Modern kitchens look cleaner with plain glossy tiles, marble patterns, subway tiles, or simple textures. And avoid deep grooves or heavy textures on kitchen wall tiles because oil and dust collect there very quickly. Now let us talk about bedrooms. Bedroom flooring gives you more freedom because most of the floor gets covered by bed, wardrobe, and furniture. So here you can experiment more. If you like wooden finish tiles, warm matte tiles, natural textures, or cozy colors, then bedroom is the perfect place. Wooden finish tiles are becoming very popular because they give a warm and comfortable feeling like wood but with easier maintenance. For bedrooms, matte finish works beautifully. And tile sizes like 2x2 or 2x4 feet both work well. Now let us move to bathrooms. This is one area where safety is more important than shine. For bathroom flooring, always use anti-skid tiles. This is extremely important because soap water creates a very slippery surface. And if glossy tiles are installed on bathroom floors, chances of slipping become much higher. Anti-skid tiles provide better grip and improve safety. But one important thing, do not choose extremely rough anti-skid tiles because they become difficult to clean. Choose balanced texture. Now for bathroom wall tiles, gloss finish works very well because they are easier to clean, water stains remove more easily, and bathrooms look brighter. Matte wall tiles may look stylish initially, but after some months, soap stains and hard watermarks become more visible. Now, here are some bonus tile tips that most people don't know. First, never buy tiles only under showroom lighting. Many tiles look completely different after installation at home. Always check tile appearance under white light, warm light, and natural daylight if possible. Second, try to maintain continuous flooring across living room, dining room, and passage. Too many flooring changes break visual flow and make homes look smaller. Third, always buy around 5% to 10% extra tiles. Because some tiles can break during installation and sometimes the same shades becomes unavailable later. Fourth, large tiles look luxurious only when leveling is perfect. So skilled labor is equally important as tile quality. And finally, remember one thing. Simple designs stay modern for longer time. People often choose trendy designs which look exciting today but become outdated within 2 years. Safe luxury always comes from simple colors, clean patterns, large tiles, and proper finishing. So these were the most important things you should know before selecting tiles for your home. Now I want every single person watching this video to comment below and tell me this. If you were building your dream home today, which flooring would you personally choose? Gloss finish or matte finish? See you in the next video.